Hello, alright, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to get Minecraft Bedrock tag client. It's not really that hard, but this is how you do it. So you're going to go in the link in my description, and you're going to subscribe to me, then press the link, then download it. Then you're going to get this. When you've run the file, you're going to open your Minecraft. Once you load up your Minecraft, you're gonna go to the thing. Make sure to press this one where it says 1.19603.0. It's the latest version. Then you're gonna press launch. Then there you go. It shows it's hack client. See, you can even load into it. You can use this on servers. I don't really give a shit if you go on anarchy or non-anarchy servers. Go fucking hack how much you want. I really don't give a fuck. Just like hack. To press the open the menu, you gotta go to click GUI and you press it to whatever bind you want it. And here is the for me, I'm gonna do put it to Y. Oh shit, why is it not working? Oh, you do bind. My bad. Fuck. Alright, so got the hacks, got the combat misc. Oh shit. Hold on. You got visual misc, combat, player. Got all this. Here's the settings. They all work. Look, no fall. Let's see. Long jump works. Speed works. Fly works. So I'm gonna bring this into a server real quick, and I'm gonna see how it runs.